In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select text in Microsoft Word in multiple ways. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to select text. Selecting text is an important basic skill in Word because it allows you to quickly edit, format, move, copy, or delete specific content. The first method is to select text using your mouse. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to select, then click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the cursor across the text until you reach the end of the section you want to highlight. Once you release the mouse button, the selected text will remain highlighted. You can also select a single word quickly by double-clicking on that word. Word will automatically highlight the entire word, making it easy to apply formatting or make changes. If you want to select an entire paragraph, you can position your cursor within the paragraph and use the available selection options to highlight the paragraph's content. This can be useful when you need to apply the same formatting to a complete block of text. Another useful method is selecting text with your keyboard. Place the cursor where you want the selection to begin, then hold down the Shift key while using the arrow keys. This allows you to select the text one character or line at a time, giving you more control over exactly what is highlighted. You can also use Shift with the Control key and the arrow keys to move through the document more quickly while extending your selection. This is especially useful when working with longer paragraphs or larger sections of text. If you want to select everything in the document, you can use the Select All command. Go to the Home tab, click Select, and then choose Select All. Word will highlight all of the content in the document at once. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-A to select all of the document's content quickly. Once everything is selected, you can apply formatting or make other changes to the entire document. By using these different selection methods, you can work with text in Microsoft Word much more efficiently. Whether you prefer using your mouse, keyboard, or built-in selection commands, each method gives you a convenient way to highlight exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,